Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I had to hop a plane today and fly into Asheville, North Carolina. Drove over to Maggie Valley to pick up some of the equipment from the mountain tour that we're going to use down at the Sebring event coming up at the first weekend in December. Thought I'd get away from this hurricane, and apparently I flew right back into it. So well, let me see if I can do a video tonight. I'm using somebody's Mini Cooper as my backdrop, best I can out here in the wet parking lot. But let me get right to it. Hey, we got a bunch of things coming. See all the RSVPs as normal down below, and all of our area governors doing a great job setting up some events. We have 3 new area governors in just a few weeks. I'm going to announce all those to you, and look out up at the Ocala Villages, Gainesville area. We're going to light that place up. Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, got something coming your way, and Naples and Marco Island. We may have some surprises down for you as well. So we're really just lighting up the entire state. Nominations for board and officer positions subject to our bylaws, and I need to say that because there are some restrictions on what you can be elected to do, but nominations open up this weekend, or just after this message goes out. You'll see the nomination piece, and if you're a volunteer, you'd like to serve in a leadership capacity, please let me know. It's just a simple email. Other folks can't be nominated unless the nominee agrees to it, but you can self-nominate for sure. Don't think that's too pompous of a position to put your name in the hat, but put your name in the hat. We're having a lot of fun, and we're building an amazing chapter, so come be a part of that. We need a lot of special skills, a lot of things, a lot more that we want to do, so you can have a place in some of this fun as well. As I said, look at all the things down below coming up, but I'll point to you some things that are important to make happen if you're going to be a part. This is our 11th year going to Sebring, to the HSR Corral, BMW Corral, FSC BMW Corral at Sebring at the historic sports car race. Rick Goolsby, and I'll say hi to Rick. I saw him last week at Daytona. We had a blast there. But Rick has opened up again for us at Sebring, and we'll have turns 15 and 16 as our corral. We'll be cooking for all of you. No one's rejected my food yet, so I'll be the lead chef for you and a guest. If you'd like to get there, you got to get in. There's 2 things you have to do. You have to go online and RSVP to the chapter, so I know you're coming, so I know how much food to buy. And secondly, you have to buy your ticket. You'll buy your ticket online. Rick has made it so it's $30, and that gets you a corral pass and everything, gets you on the track. We will do a drive on at Sebring, and as always, we know it's a little spirited at Sebring, a little bit more than it was at Daytona. So get on there. It's a Saturday ticket for the corral, so make sure you get your right ticket, and all those will be will call. It's too late to mail them to you, but we'll pick them up with will call. There will be some touring events. Lined up coming from Fort Myers, Sarasota, Tampa, and wherever else we need touring to come from. So make sure as soon as you do that on the RSVP to our chapter, you tell me, are you interested in touring? And then only those people interested in touring will get instructions on where to meet for the touring and those types of things. So make that happen. 2 RSVPs to go to Sebring, 1 to the chapter, so we know you're coming and can order food. And number 2, get your ticket, and you can buy tickets at the ticket counter. They just might be a little bit more on Saturday than what you can get them online. But all of us will pick them at the will call window. We're having a great event, and I'll go back and talk about Rick Goolsby. We had a great conversation about going to Road Atlanta next year with the HSR. And in 2024, our intent is to go to, where did I say we're going to go? Watkins Glen. Watkins Glen is a target for us in 2024 for the HSR. So a lot of things happening, a lot of things that we're working on behind the scenes. Still a track day for us up at the firm. We're working on go-kart outings, those types of things. So get your name in if you want to be nominated for one of our leadership roles. And hey man, there's just a lot of things happening. I want to say thanks to all the folks that have come out for all these events that we put on. The attendance is just off the charts. And so that's what this is all about. That's why we do what we do. It's why we love what we do. We certainly don't get paid for it. We get rewarded for it because of the relationships that we've established. And I just want to say thanks to everybody that comes out and supports. We love seeing you out. We love doing this. That's why we do it. So until I see you soon, I'll be back in Florida. I'm going to a South Atlantic BMW Congress meeting in Spartanburg, Greenville, Spartanburg this Saturday to represent our chapter. And then I'll be back in Florida on Sunday. So hello to everybody. And as I always say, happy motoring. See you soon.